How to add a Google account into Apple Mail app. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to the settings of a device. Once you are inside the settings, scroll down until you see the application where it says Mail. Once you have found the app, simply head over to it. Head over to Accounts. Tap on Add Account. As you're looking forward on adding a Google account, simply click on Google. And then wait for a while for it to load. Now you will be able to add the account. Simply enter the email address of your Google account and then click on Next. Enter the password of your Google account that you have created before. In case if you have forgotten the password, tap on Forgot Password. You will be receiving one mail on your email address. You simply have to move into that mail. Follow the on-screen process and then recover the password. Once done, enter the password and then tap on Save. Once you click on Save, your Gmail account will be added to your Apple Mail successfully, and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can add Gmail account to your Apple Mail. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.